Let me share my PPT screen. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. So today we are here for our exam preparation, right? We are in course number 3, performing manual planning with SAP Analytics Cloud. Okay. So see, students, these 4 courses are very important. Okay. You have to complete, you have to see once more this all session. So that you can be confident before the exam. Okay. So last session we have already completed this thing, right? Uh, Analytics model and this planning model, measure based model. Okay. Same thing you can see in your exam. Okay. So please check once more all these sessions. Okay. Okay. This thing is completed. How to create hierarchy and how to create a model. Right. This thing is completed. Okay. In last session, we have created this hierarchy. Okay, green color, it's showing green color, right? City, state, and customer name, right? This thing is completed. 9,994 rows are imported. Okay, so this thing is completed. Now, today we have a new lab, new hands-on part, right? So, how to import and create analytics model, right? So, yes, anyone can share your screen and then we will perform. We have no theory in this, just practical part is remaining. Okay, Sai, you can share your screen.
Okay. My screen is visible, right?
Yes. Okay. Wait a minute.
Yes. Okay. And up to that, all the students have to open the SAP Analytics Cloud workbench.
Yes, students, I hope you have that link handy. Otherwise, I can give you. You can say like paste link here, Sai. Yes. Okay. So now you have to, yeah, open your workbench. Yes. Now you have to go to modular. Yeah. Click on the model. So we are creating model. Okay. So click on the model. Then you have to choose start with an empty model. Start with an empty model. Create. Okay. See, students, you can see here, here version and date automatically generated. right? I have already explained version dimension and date dimension will generate automatically. And this same question you can find in your exam. Which dimension is generated automatically? So you have to give answer version and date. Okay, we will explore everything, but I'm just telling to you right now. Okay. So model preference, you have to choose that option, say, setting type option, setting, new model setting. There is an icon, setting icon, right? Not there. In panel, right side panel, yes. Model setting, yes. Okay. Then you have to, okay. Then you have to go to planning, yes. Planning, yeah. Okay. Then you have to unchoose planning capabilities. Is there any option? Yeah. You have to, yeah, deselect. Okay. Then data, okay. Yeah. Sorry. You can go with the date setting also simultaneously. Yeah, we will follow same thing. Date setting. And here you have to choose week pattern 4 4 5. I mean 4 week, and 5 week. Okay. So uh, we will create data part in 4 4 and 5 week. Okay. Yeah, enable week based date pattern. Yes, you have to enable that. Okay. So you can see here. Here is the pattern is 4 4 5. So total 13 week, right? 5 plus 4 plus 4. So total 13 week. And we will convert our 9,000 rows into 13 week. Okay. So like we can check our revenue based on week wise, right? Based on week. Right? You have already like see that revenue based on month, right? January, February, March, April, something. But here we will see in week wise. You can choose other option also, but in our data set right now we will see week wise. Okay, so you can explore more thing. Okay, now you have to click on that OK button. Okay. Uh, and then click on that edit dimension table in date option. Yeah, edit dimension table. Is there any option? Edit dimension table. Yeah, in model structure only. After the date, maybe you can see one option. Mm, no, close this new model. Yeah, you just close this. Okay. In three dot, maybe you can click in that date only. Okay. Okay. Edit dimension table. Yes. Click there. Maybe. Okay. Replace and delete option also there. Okay. No. Okay. In date option, maybe you can see that additional details. Is there any available option? Edit dimension table. Mm. No, okay, no issue. You just save this thing, whatever we have completed. You just save. Okay. What is missing? Uh, Student, are you able to see that option? Sign, you can click there or warning sign. Warning sign. Yeah, yes, yes. Here you can see after the date, there is one arrow, right? There you can find edit dimension table. No, click on the date option. Date. Second date. Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah. Edit dimension table. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Uh, and then save this thing. Save. Click on that save button. We have to choose calendar icon. Is there any calendar icon? Click on that setting button. Click on that setting button. Setting. After the save button. Yes. Okay. Uh, Wait a minute. Yeah. You have to choose a planning model. Okay. Instead of analytics model. Yes. Just choose that. Not there. Not there. In general setting. Click there. General setting. Yeah, in setting button, there is analytic, right? Model type is analytics. You have to choose planning model. Yeah, planning capability. Yeah, you can. Okay. Yes, yes. Then okay. Click on that okay button. No, not required. Okay. Uh, yeah. Yes, date. Okay. Uh, there you have to choose like 2014 to from year 2014 to 2017. Okay. And then yes, done. Okay. Okay, and granularity, you have to choose week. Yeah, done, done. No, we just do refresh. Click on that back option, back, right? Before the date, yes, there is a back sign, right? Back option, click there. You have to add some measures, right? Click on that plus sign. Yeah, yeah. Add measures. Okay. Click 1 minute. Yeah, yes. Yeah, you have to edit, right? Just delete it first. Once, just delete. Yeah, both. Yeah. Now just click on that plus sign above the in model structure line, right? You can find one plus. Yeah, there you can add measures. Okay. Yes. Then you have to edit this measure. Measure name is a profit. Yeah, change the data type. Maybe you can select change data type. Okay, it's decimal only. Okay, it's in integer, but we have to write name, right? Model name. Click 2 times, right? In is star, right? Is there any name star? So you have to click 2 times. Maybe there is a you can find option. Okay.
Three dots, I
Why
think
it's
correct.
not came? Why it's
No, no,
not
it's a
came?
three.
Once
No, no.
open with the other students, if they maybe get, I think so. This is the older version, I think so, for this. Uh, just open with other students if they maybe, I think so, they are getting.
Yes,
Either
students.
Raghavendra sir or some other students you can open, and as the
Yeah,
Hashim I'm saying, same you like that you can do. Okay.
yeah. Students, if you are doing with me, just open your workbench. You can share with me. Savan, Anjali. Wait a minute. Otherwise, I will share my screen. I don't know why it's not working. Raghavendra, sir, you can share your screen, maybe, if it will work with
1 second,
in
madam.
your version. Yes.
1 second, madam. Actually, yeah, actually, I did not. I mean, I was doing some other thing. That's the reason. Okay, maybe this is the
Okay,
difference.
okay, Sai, just share once again. Wait, even I
Uh,
am
uh,
also finding that thing.
because here,
No issue, sir. Sai, you can share your screen once
Yeah, yeah.
again.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe it will work now.
Mhm.
1 second, madam.
Okay, click on that the three dot. Yes. Convert to dimension. Oh, okay. Then it will convert measure to dimension. This is not a
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is not thing. Okay. Mm, uh, okay. I don't know why it's not working. Wait a minute. I will share my screen. No issue. You just stop it. I hope you are working with this link only, right? Wait, I'm sharing. Okay, students, you can open. Okay, I am sharing my link here. Okay, you need to open that link. Okay, students, are you doing or not? You have to do with me. Okay. See, here you can find option modeler. Okay. In modular, you have to go with model. Okay. In model, you have to choose start with an empty model. Okay. Click on that create. Okay. You can see here version and date automatically generated, right? Here you have to choose model preference, right? In model preference, you can see here planning model. I think it's automatically. Okay. Then this automatically you can see here planning. So we have to choose planning type only, no analytics type, because we are working with version and date, and we are creating plan. Okay. In planning model we can change, but in analytics model we just have a read access. But in planning we can write also. Okay. So that I will choose a planning model. Okay. Then go to date setting. Okay, date setting. In date setting, you have to enable week wise plan, right? And week pattern is 445. Okay. Done. Okay. And planning capability, you have to enable, disable, right? Then click on the OK button. I hope everything is done. So I am creating OK. Done. Then next we have to choose add measures. So you can see here everything is came, right? In name you have to mention what you have to mention. We are creating a measure name profit. Okay, so here you have to mention profit. Okay, and then decimal type, no issue. And unit you can choose. Oh, wait. Unit type you can choose currency. Okay, and fix in USD format. Decimal place we can choose 2 up to 2. Okay, done. So I think it's generated. Nice, complete. Okay, done. One measure generated profit. Okay, now second measure I have to add. Add measures. Okay, then I don't know why it's.
Ma'am, we have to open right panel, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I think profit is done, right? Profit. Okay, why panel not came in me also?
Ma'am, just right beside the plus sign, it's there, ma'am. On toolbar.
Okay, here, right?
Not there, ma'am. On the toolbar, ma'am. On the upper side.
Okay.
In that row, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, that.
Got it. Yes, yes. Huh. Uh, Here you have to choose quantity. Okay. In quantity and decimal, not decimal. It's integer. Okay. And unit you can choose PC like percentage or something. Percentage. Okay. No issue. Unit you can choose. Okay. Okay, and a decimal place you can choose 2. Not decimal, right? We have an integer type, so no need to write anything. Okay, done. Uh, Unit, you can stay, keep right unit only, no issue. Okay, done. Quantity. Then one more measure we can add, right? Okay. Measure name is discount. Okay. And same way you can create, just choose the integer. Excuse me. Okay. Done. Unit type unit. Okay, everything done. So we have created three measure: profit, quantity, and discount. What is measure? Measure is a numerical value, right? And what is dimension? Dimension is a categorical value. I mean label type value, name type value. And measure is number type value. Okay. So now we have done this thing. Okay. The model you are trying to save his validation error. Use the validation information in the toolbar. Wait. Okay. So here you can choose maybe from dimension. Unit you can keep none, no issue. That may be also okay, no issue. Okay, same way in discount. Okay, so that our error will be, we cannot find error right now. Okay, done. Okay, save this thing. Okay, and if name is superstore or something. Okay, wait a minute. We will convert into planning to analytics model, right? We want to do analytics. So what we will do? So in setting, okay, analytics. Okay, done. So you have to choose analytics only. Okay, nothing. General setting, a model type is analytics. Okay. Then, then next you have to save this thing. Okay, and give some name like I am giving superstore or something. Okay, superstore to something. Okay, and then click on this save button. Now we will import our model and we will find this thing. Okay, week-wise pattern 4, 4, and 5. Okay. From model structure to you have to go with data management. Okay. Choose data management. Okay. And then you can find here's import button, right? Import. You have to import your data set from files. Okay, from files to simple superstore. Okay, done. Simple superstore. Open. Okay, then create. Whatever we have created, we will apply on this data set, right? This is thing. Okay. Now you have to click here, set up the import, right? Here you can find one option, set one. Yeah, here you can find the option, set up import. So click on that. Okay, done. So now you have to click here, next button. Okay. So you can see here, everything is mapped automatically, right? Default value, profit, quantity, discount is mapped automatically. Now we have to we have to drop something, right? So we will drop any date option, right? Ship date or yeah, order date maybe. Okay, we will drag and drop here, order date. Okay, so order date was successfully mapped to date. Okay. Now click on here, next button. Okay, so all rows have been assigned the default value public.actual. Then click on the next button. Okay, so data validated. Okay. Then click on that run import. Okay, and then finish. Oh, okay. Wait, I am following same thing second time. Wait, okay. If everything is done, then you can find 209 rows, okay? Instead of 9,000 rows, because it's mapped with 445 pattern wise, right? Week wise. This thing you can find. Okay. Import data set from file. You have to choose sample superstore. Okay. Click here, setup import. Click here, next button. Okay. Mm. Just click here, next button. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I think you have to map that data. SIP data, I mean. Okay. We have to map order date only, okay? Okay, order date only will work. Check it once. Are you able to see that 209 rows? Check it once. Run import. Finish. Okay. And choose model structure. I don't know why it's not working. Otherwise, it's 9,994 rows will be mapped. Okay. With order date, nothing else. It's same only. Sai, are you getting that thing or not? Just share your screen.
No. Same issue only I'm getting. I have tried
Okay.
so many times right now.
Okay, we have to
Here,
map order date
yeah.
only.
Yeah. Order date only we have to map, and in that we have to select the date only. In
Yes.
this here, the date option, it should not be shown here actually, but it is showing right now. Why it is? I'm also getting one idea.
No, there is no, actually, this is not
Hmm.
an error, but
Uh, Same issue.
yes.
I think all
Why?
of us are getting same
Yes.
issue. I think so. Students also.
Students, are you performing?
Same issue or anybody got the all or green tick? Let me know in the chat.
See, this is our last experiment, okay? We no need to do anything. This is our last experiment. So just do once again if still you are facing, and then tell me. Otherwise, we will change our data, but we require date is the option. Okay, we can change our data set, no need. Right? Profit and discount we can find with any data set, right? Measures we can find with any data set. But we require some data set that have some options date or some columns will be date, right? I don't know why it's not working.
Okay, we will move forward, I think so, for next steps.
Okay. Okay, students, so there is nothing more. We have already completed most of our thing. Okay, most of our syllabus. So let me check once again. Okay, this thing. Okay, wait. If you are getting this thing, just let me know, okay? Okay. See, here you have to choose model, okay? And then you have to choose empty model, okay? Then you have to do with this model preference, you have to do some settings, okay? You have to choose planning model, and then you have to unchoose this planning capabilities, okay? And then date setting will be 4 4 5, okay? 4 week and 5 week. And then you have to edit your dimension table, okay? So you can see here you have to choose 2014 to 2017, okay? So that period will convert into 13 week. So then uh, you have to take some measures, right? Profit, then currency or quantity, then discount, right? And then you have to choose analytics model, okay? And then uh, you have to save this thing with a superstore model, okay? And then you have to import your data set, nothing else. Go to the data management part, import your data set, okay? Choose the file, okay? And then select your source file, okay? And then import, and then option setup button, setup import, okay? Then click on that next button, and see, you can see here, okay, order date will be mapped, okay? Then you have to choose validation the data and then finish. See here, this way it will show, okay? 9,994 rows imported, but in my case it's showing some error, okay? Maybe you can find this thing, okay? Then you have to choose a model structure, okay? And see here, all the data is converted within 209 rows, okay? So week wise, I mean. Then simple thing, this we have already completed in our designing part, right? How to choose, how to create calculation measure or something, right? How to create profit, right? Here you can see some formula, profit divided by quantity, okay? So you can find profit per quantity, right? This thing, this is simple, okay? So done. Let's start some basic MCQ, okay? When importing data into a model, which dimension has no import option? Account, date, organization, or version? What is answer? Yes, B. Not B alone, B and D. Okay, date and version both. What happens when you turn off the planning option in model preference? Date dimension is added, version dimension goes away. Okay, date can be returned to the model. Okay, what is answer? In planning model? Yeah, C is answer. Date can be, sorry, B is answer. The version dimension goes away. Okay, see, date you can, you can delete, but version is required in planning model. Okay, so version dimension goes away. What is the type of hierarchy? Level based hierarchy, branch tree, star schema, parent child. I think here something mistake, 1 minute. Okay, yeah. See, version dimension goes away. Date is required in planning data set, right? This is already we have covered in our theory part. Okay. In planning, date is always required. In analytics model, version and date both will generate automatically. What is the types of hierarchy? Level base or parent base? Both. Okay. A and D both are answer. Okay. Level base and parent child base. This MCQ you can find in your exam also. Okay. Whatever we have completed, you can find directly in your exam. No change, nothing. I will give something, but still you can think this. Which dimension cannot be said among models? Private dimension, live model, imported or public dimension? What is answer? I already explained difference between private dimension and public dimension many times in our last session. What is private dimension and public dimension? Yes, private. Private is just for particular model. We cannot said in other model, right? So yes. How many measures can you have in measure-based model? How many measures? Yes, unlimited measures, right? We have created that quantity, profit, discount, and even you can explore many more. Okay, so unlimited measure you can create. Okay, done, students.